How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. Welcome to my quick overview and install on this replacement cup holder designed for the 2001 to 2004 Mustangs. Alright guys, new Edge Mustangs have started to age, and of course as they become older, these cars have changed multiple hands and have fell victim to missing, damaged, or dirty parts. A common missing or dirty item in these cars is the cup holder insert. Now what I have here is a high quality replacement insert for the 2001 to 2004 Mustang. This particular piece features rubber construction and is black in color, just like the factory piece. It also incorporates OE style lettering and texture for a factory-like fit and finish into your new Edge Mustang. The insert simply slides into the middle console. Now, I would recommend cleaning the area before you install your new cup holder insert. And other than that, guys, this cup holder insert is a key restoration item for your 2001 to 2004 Mustang owners. To see more reviews and installs covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT lighting.